Welcome to Simple Adobe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. First, add 4 clips on your timeline and open Essential Graphics. Click Edit and add rectangle shape and increase the size of rectangle. Then add text layer and type any text what you want. Increase the size and adjust the position of text. Then close Essential Graphics. Open Effect Control and select Text Layer. Click Blend Mode under Opacity and change Normal to Multiply. Now select First Video Layer. Go to Effect Control and select Pen Tool under Opacity and mask first ladder of text. Now select Second Video Layer and mask second ladder, and then select Third Video Layer and mask third ladder of text. Now you see there is different video in every ladder. Video is not end yet. Again, select Text Layer and go to Effect Control. Click Stop Watch of Source Text. Move few frame forward, add another keyframe, and remove all the text except first ladder. Move cursor 20 frame forward and type next ladder. Repeat this process till you complete your video.